I ventilated, braided, and delivered this full lace braided wig to my client. And this is how she installed it. You can always place an order. I deliver worldwide. If you want to know how I do all my braided wigs, then subscribe to my channel for updates. I make videos on ventilation, braiding, hair revamping, hair maintenance, lace tinting, lace treatment, and many more. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates from me. This is one of client installing the braided wig that I delivered to her. Please subscribe to get updates on how I do my braided wigs. And please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.